To view a heat map or a session recording for a specific page in Microsoft Clarity, go to the top toolbar here and click on this heat maps icon. You'll see a list of pages here sorted by popularity in descending order. And if you look at the top here, you'll see this is for the last 3 days. Click on this drop down and we're going to expand it to the last 30 days so that we have more data. Aside from browsing through the list of pages here for a specific heat map, you can go to this top toolbar here and search for a specific page. Click on this drop down to set your condition. You can use starts with, ends with, contains, exactly matches, matches regex, etc. Then type your URL here. Click on filters to configure any filter settings you want to add. You can configure day of the week, device, browser, operating system, location, Clarity user ID if you're sending custom user IDs to Clarity, user actions like rage clicks or excessive scrolling, other actions, page scroll depth, click text, events that you've configured, URL path, traffic from specific referral sources, channels, performance scores, session duration, session click count, page size, screen resolution, other custom filters, and click on apply in the top right corner when you're ready to apply those filters. You can save the segment so you don't have to reconfigure all the settings, and if you have previously saved segments, you can click on the drop down up here to apply that segment. Now you can choose to view a heat map for the page. If you want more content on working with digital marketing, audience, customer, or user data, subscribe to the channel.